Central Asia saw record BRI investments in the first 6 months of this year, totaling $25 billion. Kazakhstan was the biggest beneficiary of these investments, getting $23 billion. How significant is that, and how were these investments allocated in the country?
So talking about BRI, it's been more than 10 years. In total, if we look into different sources, there are more than 260 different BRI projects here in Central Asia, and more than 100 of them are here in Kazakhstan. And also Kazakhstan is a key logistical point for 2 out of 6 big strategic corridors for China. So Central Asia is very important, and Kazakhstan is a key player here in the region. So I think in the future, we will be having even more China Central Asia projects, especially in the fields of transport logistics, energy, mining, and many other sectors as well.